Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening to wherever you are watching from. Welcome to today's video where, yes, you guessed it, I went to Lululemon. I did some shopping. I also got some stuff from Garage. Some of it has not arrived yet, but one thing did arrive, so I want to show you that. And then I also got some stuff gifted to me from Net Zero Co., which I will tell you more about them, but they are basically a sustainable brand and a sustainable website, so I'm so excited and thankful they sent stuff over. I have worked with them in the past. Love that I got a restock of my favorite products, so that is what today's video is. I'm going to show you everything and try it on, and links will be in the description as always. So without further ado, let's get right into it. So I'm going to start off with the gifting that I got. So everything I got is sustainable, and environmental general store, plant-friendly products. Like I said, I have worked with them in the past. When they wanted to send me more products, I was like, absolutely. I'm so excited. Some of these stuff will be no surprise if you watch my other videos, but they sent over a generous box. Again, they are all environmentally friendly products. I absolutely love that, and I love this company. I also have a promo code for you guys. It is EcoFam15 for 15% off your order. My all-time favorite that I will get time and time again are these laundry strips. You have seen them before. These are laundry detergent in the scent Fresh Breeze. I wish you guys could smell this, and I say this every single time and I will not stop saying it, but it makes your clothes smell so good. They are ultra concentrated laundry sheets. You just open it like this, and it says your laundry just got an eco upgrade. You made a totally awesome sustainable choice. Welcome to Net Zero Fam. That's so cute, and I love the little turtle. Fun fact, I actually had a turtle before I had my dog. And these each have 64 loads, and I paid $73. And what you do is this sheet like this, you cut it. I'm actually gonna do laundry after this video, so I'm just gonna toss this in. It's all you need for a load. Sometimes I like to put 2. If I do have a heavy load, I will just toss 2 in there. So much better than buying those big bulky detergent containers that we all have. Next up, I did get these sponges, which these are cute. I like the color. 100% cellulose sponges. And I love how the tag just says doing my part. I got the pack of 2 for $5.99. Next up, we have 12 reusable bamboo cotton rounds, which these are going to be great. Again, I am going traveling really soon, and I wanted to pick these up for my mom as well, so we'll probably take half each bag that it comes in. Great for taking off your makeup, and then you can easily just toss them in the wash when you're done. I love the colors that it has. There's blue, pinks, greens, gray as well. You get 12 of them for $25.99, and then they come with this super cute pouch. Again, very easy to toss in the laundry when you do want to wash them. And then again, they have a cute little turtle. Also got these lip balm duo, so fresh mint and pina colada. The packaging is actually so cute for all of these. This was $10.99 for both of them. It's like a cardboard packaging for this. It smells really good. This is the mint one. Very hydrating. I like it. I would try the pina colada one, but I was gonna give it to my mom. She wanted to try it. I do like the mint one, and it has like a nice minty flavor. Moving on, we got the muslin market bag, set of 3, easy to fold with snap closure. And this is what the pack looks like. Look how pretty the colors. This one was a little more pricey at $47.99. Comes with 3 bags, which look how cute and compact they're packaged in. And then you just snap that like this, and you get a great little bag that you want to bring with you every time you go grocery shopping. Super cute. Love the colors. It has a like violet purple one, and then a deeper kind of purple one, and then this really pretty green color. And last but certainly not least, they were very generous. I actually got these for my parents. I figured they would use them. They were $45.99, and then you get 4-pack of these silicone bags. Instead of using the plastic bags, you get silicone reusable bags. And again, I love their little like logo of a turtle, and it's great. Like, there's different sizes, and they just are so nice. Look at that. So there's 4 different sizes. You have the small one, a little bit bigger, medium, and then a large. Freezer and microwave friendly, which I was actually shocked. It says made of food grade silicone. They're also dishwasher safe, airtight, and leak proof, and endlessly reusable. 10 out of 10. Absolutely great company, absolute great mission that they have, trying to save our environment and selling eco-friendly products. So I would 100% recommend checking them out. Thank you guys so much for sending all of this over. They also have a bunch of other things as well, so don't forget to check them out. And then use the promo code ECOFAM15 for 15% off. But moving on, I did go to Lululemon and I saw some stuff in store and I was like, I love these two items, so I absolutely needed them. And then I actually have matching stuff for them already, so I was like, yes, check out. And they were both on markdown, which makes it even greater. This is the Court Rival high-rise skirt. I get it in a size 4 because I feel like it's more comfortable, and I just like how the 4s fit, especially on the shorts underneath. There's like little silicone kind of bump, like glue silicone-y kind of bumps to keep it in place. But this is mint moment. They also have a longer length, but I personally like the short length to it. And then they had this one, which this is magenta purple, I believe. Same thing, super cute, love that. And I love, again, I'm wearing these for summer. I think they're just so flattering and so pretty. It's just, I love the flowiness of them. They have the logo on the back, and again, built-in shorts that have pockets. And I got them because I actually have the matching belt bags already, and I was like, I absolutely need this. Although this one was wild berry and this is magenta purple, but they're literally the same. Literally the exact same. So yeah, two different color codes, two different colors, but the same side by side. So I thought that was pretty interesting. But this belt bag is mint moment, so I had to pick up the mint moment skirt with like a white top. I think it'll be cute. But I also do have a mint bodysuit, but not from Lululemon, it's from Aritzia. That could also match, but I feel like it'll be too much mint, so this with like a cute white top with the belt bag, I feel like will be such a cute outfit. And then last but not least, I saw this at Garage and I was like, I need it. It is so pretty, it is so flowy, it is so girly, it is absolutely perfect for where I'm going. I needed it, and it's a romper, but it looks like a dress, and this is just my favorite thing. It is so pretty. So this is what it looks like, and then the back. When you're tying this, it's pretty difficult to do it by yourself, so you will need help. At least I did personally. Either my mom or my boyfriend will have to help me tie this once I put it on, but other than that, very easy and just so pretty, so flowy. I had a 20% off coupon, so I used this. This was originally $49.95. I got it in a size extra small. I feel like it fits perfect. You'll see it in the try on. I just absolutely love it. I love that you don't have to think about it. You just toss it on. It's a romper. It's pretty. It's flowy. You don't have to worry about the wind blowing or anything like that, and it's also very lightweight. That is everything that I got at the mall. And then again, a shout out to Net Zero Co for sending this over. I am so excited to test and try everything. Hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, give this video a big thumbs up, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye!